If you've known me for a while, you would know that I am a firm believer of we create our own reality and into manifestation and affirmations and all things like that. So in today's video, I am making some affirmation candles and you are going to be shocked about how easy this was. Let's get to it. Okay, so the first candle that I'm going to be doing is in this rectangular pot. I suppose you could use this as a pot, like for flowers as well as for candles. But in my case, I think I'm going to use it as candles. And what you see me doing now is basically I'm just using some lapis lazuli chips.
I didn't understand a word you said.
I'm pretty sure I didn't say that right, but hopefully you know what I'm talking about. I'm going to be using these chips to put in some of the corners, and these are great for like manifestation. You know, I love working with crystals. And in addition to those, I have also decided to add some of these blue glass chips. And once again, I'm just throwing a few in the corner, because what we're going to do next is basically do a little terrazzo-y, crackly effect. Once those are in, I have mixed up some of my Resincrete. This is by Jadiction Officials, and you have probably seen me use this a zillion times. And I have stuck with the white color of Resincrete on this occasion, and I haven't gone ahead and tinted it. I'm just going with the natural color, and I'm just going to go ahead and fill this up to the top of the mold as you usually do. Once it's at the top, I've just added my little logo detail at the bottom. Optional step, but I like to do that. And we're going to leave this to cure.
1 hour later.
So it's been about an hour since this has been sitting, and it's time to unmold and see what we've got. Okay, so it's out of the mold, and it's the fun bit, which involves a lot of sanding. So I'm going to go ahead and sand out some of those edges to reveal the crushed glass and the crystals that we put in there.
One extremely annoying shift later.
Okay, sanding done. It's time to actually make the affirmation part of the candles, and for that I'm using my Emark by Colop printer, and this is making another appearance in this video because I'm absolutely in love with this gadget. If you are interested, I will leave you with the link below. I do not get paid for making this video, and I do not get paid if you purchase this either, but it's just something that I collaborated on and I absolutely love it, and I had to share it with you guys. Okay, so I have gone ahead and printed this I'm blessed affirmation on one side. Love, 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 absolutely love it. For the next side, I'm gonna go ahead and do this I'm enough affirmation. And can I just say, I am loving the vibe of this. Like, this is exactly the kind of candle I want around my house. Next one has gotta be I'm unstoppable.
Nothing can stop me, nothing. Oh, look at that, a donut shop.
I don't know about you guys, but this song is literally on my repeat list in my car all the time, especially if I have like an important day ahead of me, and if I need to hype myself up for an important meeting, or just in general when I'm feeling like I need a little boost. This song is on repeat. I mean, affirmations in general, I mean, I feel like they are helpful to just make you feel confident and, you know, make you feel worthy, make you feel like you can get what you want, and that's how you manifest. So that was that candle. Love. I will show you finished shots and how I actually turn it into a candle later. Now I'm moving on to the next one. So I have a round little one, and I didn't want to bore you by showing you me basically making white candles constantly for this. So I've literally made the containers, and we're just going to go ahead and do the printing. And for this one, I have gone with enjoy the little things. How cute is that? And I'm going to do that on all sides. And this one would make like a really cute pot. And here I have a tea light, and at the bottom of it, I just did like handmade with love, only because I wanted to and it's fun. Okay, but on this tea light, I have very little space, but so I want to do this thinking of you, which is so cute. Like, I am in love with this printer, honestly. I cannot stop printing stuff. It's kind of worrying, actually. So somebody needs to take this away from me.
It will be your fault if you can't control yourself.
For the next one, I have done this. I create my own sunshine. Love that. Absolutely love that. Once again, it would make like an amazing candle, but it would also be good for like a pot, like a flower pot situation. And this is the next one. I attract success. Love that. And I don't know if I mentioned this, but I haven't sealed these just yet. These still need to be sealed because you don't want to seal them and then print on them. I don't think that would work that well. So make sure you are printing on unsealed eco resins.
Later.
Okay, so I have gone ahead and sealed all of these, and this is what they're looking like. You guys, I absolutely love it. Okay, so how I'm gonna make these into candles is by using my candle sand, and I'm gonna leave you a description link. No.
We didn't even try to use your words.
I'm gonna leave you a link in the description below. I absolutely love this candle stand. It already comes with wicks. So all you do is put the wicks in, put the sand in, and light them up. It could not be simpler, honestly. And how amazing would it be if you gifted like these affirmation candles along with the candle sand to somebody? Would make like a super cute gift, in my opinion. Did I tell you to like, comment, and sub in this video? I'm not sure if I did. If I did, too bad. If I didn't, make sure you do go like, comment, and sub, and ring that notification bell so I can keep bringing you more videos, more ideas, more products, and more craziness while I go ahead and fill all of these out. And this is finally what they're looking like. I love how rustic that terrazzo-y corners look on the big one, and the affirmations on all of these, super cute, absolutely amazing, and I'm obsessed. What can I say? I'm absolutely obsessed. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I know I have enjoyed creating these for you, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye.